Hey everyone, today we're March 10th, 2018. We're going to go do some snowmobiling. I got up nice and early. There's a nice beautiful snowfall there last night. We're going to get the driveway all cleaned out, get the truck and everything cleaned off, load up the snowmobile. We're going to head up to my buddy Sean's place. So we'll keep you updated on a few of the processes, or not processes, but keep you updated on our trip throughout the day, and hope you enjoy. Okay. All right, so we got the snowmobile all loaded up on the truck. We got the driveway all cleaned. We got the wife's car all cleaned off. Now, just to hit the road. It's a little bit later in the morning than what I was expecting, so kind of running behind. I'm gonna try and take a few videos of the travel up to my buddy's place. It's nice countryside. But yeah, wife knew I was going sledding. She even packed me a little lunch. I got a juice box. All right, so I'll see you guys there when we arrive, or a couple little clips there on our drive there. All right. So we got our snowmobile gassed up, truck's gassed up. Got an extra set of spark plugs. We got an extra belt, spare belt. We got a little lunch. We have our Tim Hortons coffee with the roll up the rim. Hopefully I'll win a car or something big. So now, yeah, we're gonna hit the road and we're gonna go up to we're going to leave Moncton, New Brunswick, and we're going to go up the road to Kent County, up in Ford's Mills. We're going to go sledding in Kent County. Might end up in Miramichi, might end up back in Moncton, but might end up in Rogersville. We're not sure, but we're just going to go out and adventure. It's going to be fun. All right. So I'm almost at my destination to unload my snowmobile. Just about to pull into my buddy's place. Just talked to him there not too long ago. Told him I was in the area and I wouldn't be too long, so we're about to pull into his house. So if you're ever looking for a log home built, check out Natural Log Homes. They do phenomenal work, and I don't know, I've seen some of their work and I'm really inspired. It's really nice work. So we're here at my buddy's house, and come down here and see what's all going on. They build these little trailers there out of logs, so it's like a log home on a trailer that you can like take with you to go snowmobiling. They're kind of neat. That's there's two of them right there in front of us. I'll try and zoom in. See, oh, right there, there's a trailer with a log home on it. You can pull that behind your half-ton truck or fifth wheel. Oh, my buddy's already all set to go sledding. He's telling me where to go and drop mine. Yeah, this is one of their first log homes that they built here, and then they built another one down over there to that's the owners. Oh, they're out huffing some snow. She's a puffer.
Oh.
Alright, so we're going to unload this fabulous contraption, and hopefully she doesn't blow up. Otherwise, this guy here is going to tow me home. Or if his sled blows up, I'm going to be towing him home, and hopefully neither one of us blows up.
You're setting us up for a jinx already.
Yeah, don't be jinxed. Should be having fun. Yeah, if you're ever looking for a natural log home, call up these guys at Natural Log Homes. They do pretty good work. Custom designed log homes. Alright, so we're gonna get this sled off the truck and get on our way. I'm gonna tell you, there's nothing like smelling two-stroke in the wintertime, especially from a snowmobile. It's just, I don't know, like you can have a two-stroke dirt bike and it just doesn't smell the same. You gotta have that cold temperature. So I'll give a little update on our trip. We got me and a buddy. We were out sledding, and his shock broke on his snowmobile, so the track come loose. So I left him out in the woods by himself. I said I'm gonna go back, get my truck, and I'll come pick you up. So anyways, I get back to the gas station, I get some gas so I can make my trip back. I fouled the plug, so as soon as I pulled into the gas station, I fouled the plug. So I had to change one of my plugs. And then I gassed up, snowmobile was running great, jumped on the river, started to go, and motor blew. So I'm stuck on the river. So then I'm sitting there, I'm thinking like, how am I gonna get this snowmobile off the river? River's gonna melt there in probably a week or so, so I mean, she's getting kind of soft and slushy. So I said, how am I gonna get out of here? So anyways, the guy was driving by on a snowmobile, coming up to meet some buddies, and he says, he turns around, he sees me with the hood up, and he said, you broke down or whatever? And I said, yeah. I said, I think I blew the motor. So he said, well, pull your belt off and we'll see if we can't tow you up to the Irvings. And so that's what he did, and towed me up to the Irvings, and here I am now trying to figure out how I'm going to get back to my truck so I can come and come pick up my snowmobile. So we got 2 broken down snowmobiles while everybody else is out sledding. Well, it's gonna be, everything breaks, so it's gonna be what it's gonna be, and I'll keep you updated on the rest of my journey today. Well, we got the snowmobile back to my truck. It's in the truck and trailer in behind me. So we're gonna unload that and then put it in my truck. So yeah, buddy broke down in one spot, blew a shock, and track come loose, so he couldn't move. And then I ended up trying to go home to get my truck to go pick him up, and I ended up blowing my motor. So it's been a kind of expensive day. But we had fun while we did it, and we got to hang out. That's the main part. We all got home safe, and there you have it. So if you like to watch any more of my adventures or different videos and stuff like that, like, share, subscribe, and you can stay up to date with me.